Dear student, welcome back to Ask Rare Class Notes YouTube channel. We have started solving 195 SLO Based Computer Science MCQs of Class 11 Unit Wise in 9 lectures. Today in Lecture 5 we are going to solve the first 20 MCQs out of 40 MCQs on network communication and protocols of Chapter 5. You can find all lectures links in the description. Before starting lecture number 5, I once again request you please support and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. MCQs number 1. In which communication mode can data be sent and received in both directions but not simultaneously? Option A, simplex mode. Option B, half duplex mode. Option C, full duplex mode. Option D, synchronous transmission. Correct answer is option B, half duplex mode. MCQs number 2. Which of the following network devices connects a network to another that uses a different protocol? Option A, switch. Option B, gateway. Option C, router. Option D, modem. Correct answer is option B, gateway. MCQs number 3. Which of the following networks provides remote access to individuals and offices to their organization? Option A, LAN. Option B, WAN. Option C, MAN. Option D, VAN. Correct answer is option D, VAN. MCQs number 4. In which topology a hub, switch, is used? Option A, star topology. Option B, ring topology. Option C, bus topology. Option D, mesh topology. Correct answer is option A, star topology. MCQs number 5. Which topology is most expensive to implement? Option A, star topology. Option B, ring topology. Option C, bus topology. Option D, mesh topology. Correct answer is option D, mesh topology. MCQs number 6. Which layer of the OSI model decides which physical pathway the data should take to reach the destination? Option A, data link layer. Option B, network layer. Option C, transport layer. Option D, session layer. Correct answer is option B, network layer. MCQs number 7. Which network layer performs security, name recognition, logging, and similar functions? Option A, transport layer. Option B, network layer. Option C, presentation layer. Option D, session layer. Correct answer is option D, session layer. MCQs number 8. Which of these cables transmit data using light waves? Option A, twisted pair cable. Option B, coaxial cable. Option C, fiber optic cable. Option D, telephone line. Correct answer is option C, fiber optic cable. MCQs number 9. Which of these transmissions uses a start-stop bit? Option A, asynchronous. Option B, synchronous. Option C, half duplex. Option D, full duplex. Correct answer is option A, asynchronous. MCQs number 10. Which bits are used at the start of a class BIP? Option A, 0. Option B, 10. Option C, 101. Option D. 110. Correct answer is option B. 10. MCQs number 11. Computer networks allow users to share. Option A. Hardware. Option B. Software. Option C. Information. Option D. All. Correct answer is option D. All. MCQs number 12. The set of rules to exchange data in a communication network is called. Option A. Protocol. Option B. Procedure. Option C. Token. Option D. Hardware. Correct answer is option A. Protocol. MCQs number 13. All the following are the elements of the data communication system. Except option A. Sender. Option B. Transmission medium. Option C. Receiver. Option D. Voltage. Correct answer is option D. Voltage. MCQs number 14. A telephone conversation is an example of. Option A. Full duplex. Option B. Half duplex. Option C. Simplex. Option D. Multiplex. Correct answer is option A. Full duplex. MCQs number 15. Television broadcast is an example of. Option A. Full duplex. Option B. Half duplex. Option C. Simplex. Option D. Multiplex. Correct answer is option C. Simplex. MCQs number 16. In which type of data transmission data is transmitted block by block? Option A. Asynchronous. Option B. Synchronous. Option C. Direct. Option D. Indirect. Correct answer is option B. Synchronous. MCQs number 17. Which of the following is an example of unguided media? Option A. Twisted pair. Option B. Coaxial. Option C. Satellite. Option D. Fiber optic. Correct answer is option C. Satellite. MCQs number 18. Which type of transmission media uses light waves for transmitting information? Option A. Twisted pair cable. Option B. Fiber optic cable. Option C. Coaxial cable. Option D. Radio wave. Correct answer is option B. Fiber optic cable. MCQs number 19. Many networks include a central computer called. Option A. Server. Option B. Modem. Option C. Switch. Option D. Silent. Correct answer is option A. Server. MCQs number 20. A lab with 20 computers and a laser printer is an example of dash. Area network. Option A. Limited. Option B. Line. Option C. Local. Option D. Little. Correct answer is option C. Local. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question related to computer science, please write me in the comments. We will try our best to solve it for you. Class 11th and 12th PDF notes. Available at very nominal price. Please contact WhatsApp. If you like this efforts, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do not forget to like and share the video.